guys, what's up? It's Naomi the Crafty Savage here, and I'm back with some unbagging. Just a whole mix and kabapple of diamond painting goodies and accessories and swag, and oh, I'm so excited for this one. There is a story behind this one. I had to call the post office, I was like, nope, you're going to look for this package. You said it was delivered. It was not delivered. So we'll save this one for last, right? These next two, the one I have my favorite place to get putty from, Excuse Me Designs, over on Etsy. She opens up her shop now. I think it's monthly is when she does it, and she's got subscription things and all that. So I will, have everybody linked down below. And then this is a new putty, at least to me, Merry Making and More putty. So I wanted to, see what they were all about. What did I do with my scissors? Ooh. All right, so we're gonna get into Excuse Me Designs first, because I'm excited. Now, the only thing that stinks is I don't know if I'm getting, if I'm coming down with something, getting sick. I don't know if I'm going to be able to smell all these sweet smelling putties. So, on the back here, it's got, hello, is it me you're looking for? Oh, yes, I love you package. Okay, anyhow, let me see. Oh, is that a seal? Is that a duck? Is that a duck? Is that a seal? It's like a little squish. I love those little squish. I have quite a few of them. All right, let's see. Let's get this out here. Ooh, dropping candy. Okay, so we got our little squish. We have a Laffy Taffy sour apple, right? We have my invoice here. Thank you. All right, so what did I get? So I believe each of these were $5.25, right? Yes. So, oh, it stinks that I can't smell, but let's see. Okay, so we're gonna try this. So one of my favorites is the unicorn farts. It is amazing. Yeah, I can't really smell, but just take my word for it. It's amazing. What is this next one? Bippity boppity boo? Boop? I don't. All right, let's see. Yeah, I don't know if I can smell it. Let's see, monkey farts. If I can't smell monkey farts, then I know I can't smell. But here's monkey farts. This is a diamond painting putty. On the back, it comes in these little containers with the screw-on tops. And when I say these things, it lasts a long time. Okay. I can smell a little bit of the banana in the monkey farts, and I've ordered monkey farts from her before, and I know it smells good. So I think I'm getting sick. So maybe smelling putty right now as an unboxing wasn't the best review, right? But if you're looking, to find some putty, because I live in Florida, and it's I have wax. And I love using wax, but there's a big portion of the year where, because it's so hot where I live, even with the AC, wax it's not the greatest option for me. And that's why I am a putty girl. I absolutely love putty. This one is Faith, Trust, and Pixie Dust. All right. Let's say. Kind of get a little bit of some floral. I don't know. Come on. Ooh, Love Spell. Now this one, if I can't smell this, then I know I'm in trouble. So Love Spell, just kind of, you know, like from Vicky's Secret there. They have a Love Spell. This is like one of my favorite scents from Vicky. So I got 2 of them because I'm just stingy like that. I can smell it. I can smell this. Oh my gosh. So yeah, if you like Love Spell from, you know, Vicky, you know who I'm talking about. You know who Vicky is. All right, Love Spell. I absolutely love this. Oh, it smells absolutely divine. But yes, but Excuse Me Designs also, they sell their diamond painting tack. They have pens. They have like wristlets. What else does she have? She's got a whole bunch of stuff. And like I said, right now, I believe she has her shop open. She opens it like once a month. You know, she also has like a, is it a subscription thing? I don't know. I will make sure to link Excuse Me Designs Etsy shop as well as their Facebook page, so you can, you know, follow and see when she's dropping stuff. Awesome. I would highly recommend that. I do apologize. I can't really smell it and tell you, like, is it strong? Is it, yeah. So, all right, let's put that off to the side. Now, this next one, it is Putty, but my only problem with Excuse Me Designs is, like, these are great for my single placers. But trying to do, like, the multi-placer, yeah, no. So, oh, look, it's got Happy Mail. I've never ordered from here before. So, let's get into this and see, shall we? Maybe I should. That would help Naomi. Get in here. Okay. We got Happy Mail. Oh, wow, it's stuffed with a whole bunch of stuff. Oh, we got a little thank you. Thank you. Okay. What do we got in here? Come out. Hold on. I don't know if my address will show. Okay, so here we go. Oh, look at this. Thank you for supporting my small shop. Your purchase allows me to continue crafting and sharing affordable accessories with the diamond painting community. Love your order. Please consider leaving a review on Etsy. If you have any questions about, oh, look, it's even got that little QR code. That's what it is, Naomi. Spit it out, cupcake, right? If you're new to Putty, scan this QR code and watch an instructional video filmed by me. Mary, look, you can follow her on Etsy, YouTube, and Instagram, right? Yes. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Okay, let's put that there. Oh, look. I got a sticker. I love sticker. It's got the little dolphin swimming in the ocean. Whoop, 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 whoop. Okay. Now how much did I pay for this? So the regular size, I got a regular size and a sample size, which I thought that was pretty cool. I was like, ooh, a sample size. Like, so maybe it's like you see a scent and you're like, ooh, I want to try that, but I'm not sure if I'm going to like it. But look at this pretty packaging. Wrapped all nice in the tissue paper with the little thank you sticker. So for the full size Putty, it was $6, and for the sample, it was $2. So like, that's not bad at all, right? So let's see. Let's get into this, shall we? Okay, so the first one, this is the, I guess the regular normal size, not the sample size. That is $6. I got the vanilla chai. I love vanilla chai. Yeah, maybe that's what I'll do. Go get a vanilla chai. All right, but it comes in this nice reclosable bag. Ziploc bag so it keeps it nice and fresh. Let's open this up, right? Ooh, that's a nice little, I mean, yeah, that's a nice little size of wax for $6, right? Now, obviously, the sizes vary, but that's a decent freaking size, right? Comes in between 2 release papers. Oh, look, it's even different color. Look at that, so freaking cool. I love how it's different colors, right? So let me see if I can smell it. Oh, yes, I definitely, my mouth. Now I really want a vanilla chai latte. I really, really do. Oh, my gosh. It smells so absolutely delicious. But, yes, look at that. That is like... Whoop. And on the other side, right? Look at that. Okay, I think I might have found another putty place. Oh, me and my putty, I tell you. Okay, then let's see this sample size, right? So this is the regular size for $6. And then, like I said, like the sample size, I thought like that was like a great idea because, you know, sometimes you're like, well, I think I like that scent, but I'm not sure, because I know I've definitely done that where I'm like, I don't know, because I don't know if I like that scent, and I don't want to spend that, you know. So this is the sample size, right? It's got Mary Mud Sampler, Butt Naked Beach. You know I had to do it, right? It's got the little kitty cat. That's so cute. Comes in a smaller, I guess not smaller, but like thinner plastic bag, which is awesome, right? So let's open this up. And again, this one was $2. If I can... Right. So let's see. This is the Butt Naked Beach. And that's not bad. Like for $2? For a sample to see if you like it, you know? That smells really good. It's got like a fruity, beachy smell to it. I can definitely smell the this. I'm gonna have to try to get my hands on more of this because this, yeah. So Butt Naked Beach. So yeah, that is pretty cool. Okay, so that is all the putty that I have to show, right? So we got our Mary Mud Putty, excuse me, design, excuse me, design putty. Now, you know what, I need to kind of clean this up here a little bit. We're just gonna boop, 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 shaloop. Bada bing, bada boom. Love that movie Magic. No, okay, so this one, as I said, so when Craftibly had that, you know, like the blowout sale, I had ordered things. This, I'm still waiting on my other stuff, but that's, you know, that's fine. I know it'll get here when it, you know, whenever it does. I'm not worried about it. But this, I ordered, it's diamond painting related, but it's not a tool or a diamond painting or anything like this, right? So I was, you know, tracking it. I get the notification like it's been delivered to your mailbox. So, I mean, I go running out there because I'm like, oh, I want it. Like, when I saw this, and you will understand as soon as you see it, right? So it said it was, you know, delivered in my mailbox. And where I live, it's like, it's almost like P.O. box looking. Like, so there's like one big master key. He opens it up and there's all these slots. So I can understand, you know, it can probably, you know, stuff gets put in wrong spots. Well, that is what happened, right? So I go out to my mailbox and I check and it's not out there. And I go look, you know, contact, you know, and they're like, give it 24 hours. And I'm like, I can do that. Because, you know, sometimes stuff gets marked delivered and it doesn't show up till the next day. I'm like, okay, right? So the next day comes and the Excuse Me Designs putty had came in. I got the notification that it was delivered. So I run out to my mailbox. That's there, but this isn't, right? So I'm like, oh No. I'm like, it's probably in somebody else's mailbox. What if they're not honest and don't, put it back to, I'm like, dear Lord, baby Jesus, don't make me do it. So, yeah, I put an investigation in on this package. I was like, nope, you're going to find my package. You're going to deliver it to the right mail slot. Like, and we ain't going to have any of this foolishness. Well, they found it, and I thanked them and all that. But what did I get? So, this is what I got from Craftibly, right? Are you ready? I don't think you're ready. Oh, I think I'm going to wear this tomorrow. Like, and you know me, I will definitely wear this shirt out in public. I think, what did I do? I got this in a extra large because I wasn't sure. Oh, there's more on the back. I didn't even know, right? So I got it in an extra large because I wasn't sure, is it going to shrink? But yes, I got the I love DP with the lady winking. Like, when I saw this shirt, I was like, oh, I have to have it. Like, I have to have it. But then, excuse me, on the back, who doesn't love diamond painting? Craftibly diamond painting. Like I said, when I saw this, I had to get it. I had to. Like I said, I think I might wear this tomorrow. But yes, I could let you know, probably in about, I don't know, 2 weeks after I've worn it, a million zillion times at that point, where my neighbors are going to think, like, does she ever change her shirt? If it shrinks, that's just kind of, I don't trust stuff. I would rather it be biggie. I would rather it be like Biggie Smalls. No, I would rather it be big than, and shrink up in the wash, or it just be big and, that's what she said, right? I love DP. She likes it big. No, I'm joking, guys. I'm joking. I'm getting dirty. Oh my gosh, my dirty little birdie mind. Okay, so go check out Craftibly. Go get yourself an I love DP shirt. If you haven't already, go check out Mary Mud. And, of course, my favorite, excuse me, designs, Putty, right? But honestly, like, I love it. I absolutely love it. But with that said, guys, I will make sure to have everything linked down in the description box down below. And I'm going to hop on out of here. If you're new to the channel and you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. And I'll see you next time, guys. Bye!